This video tutorial will help students in Pembina Trails School Division create their free MyBluePrint account. To begin with, open your web browser. In the URL, type in www.myblueprint.ca/Pembina Trails. This will take you to our landing page. For students who have already established an account, they will click Login. For any student who is signing up for the very first time, click Sign Up. Below, you will need to select the school that you attend. For anyone attending a high school in Pembina Trails School Division, simply select it from this list and follow the prompts. For anyone attending a school not listed, simply select grade 7, 8, 9 and create account. Choose Student and choose the corresponding grade level that you are in currently. Press Continue. At this point, you will be required to enter your first and last name. This is a safe platform for you to do so. Please note that below that, it will ask you for your birth date and your student number, both of which are optional, but again, this is a safe platform for you to enter that information. When finished, press Continue. You will be required to input an email address and create your own password. It is very important that you remember this password, so write it down and store it in a safe place, or input it into your phone for later reference if required. Choose your language of preference, either English or French, and from the list below, select your school that was not on the list previously. Once you have finished that, you will press Continue. Congratulations! You've just created your free MyBluePrint account. Down below, select Get Started.